안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today, we're going to make crispy and flavor-packed kimchi pancake. This dish requires only a few ingredients, but of course, you will need kimchi. There are a few key points to make crispy, delicious kimchi pancakes. Keep the batter loose and avoid overmixing and use a generous amount of oil when pan frying. Chop the kimchi into small pieces. Using aged kimchi is better than freshly made or newly store-bought varieties. If your kimchi is already chopped, cut it even smaller like this. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of chopped kimchi, a teaspoon of dashida Korean beef stock, and an equal amount of all-purpose flour. In the same measuring cup, mix about half a cup of kimchi juice with cold water. Then add another cup of ice-cold water to the bowl. Ice-cold water helps make the pancakes crispier and lighter. Use nearly equal parts kimchi, flour, and water. Mix all the ingredients carefully, avoiding overmixing, as this can activate the gluten and lead to a less crispy pancake. The batter should have a slightly runny consistency. I added additionally a few extra tablespoons of cold water because the batter was too thick. If yours is too thick, just add a little more water. Once the kimchi batter is ready, heat a large pan over medium heat. Add a generous amount of oil and test the temperature by adding a bit of batter. If it bubbles, the pan is ready. Drip a big spoonful of the batter into the pan, shaping it into a thin round pancake. While most kimchi pancakes are made large, I prefer smaller ones with more crispy edges. This method not only gives you extra crispy edges, but also makes the pancakes easier to flip. Ensure the pan has enough oil and it is not dry. Flip the pancakes when they look crispy. The batter is a bit runny, so be careful when flipping. Using 2 utensils made them easier to flip. Add a few tablespoons of oil to the pan and continue cooking, but keep an eye on the heat to avoid burning them. This pancake recipe is surprisingly easy to make at home. This kimchi savory pancake is surprisingly easy to make. And you can serve this as a side dish, but I like to eat this my pancake with makgeolli, the Korean fizzy rice wine. Give it a try. I made a small size of kimchijeon. This is about 10 or 12, so I think it serves about 3 to 4 people. I can't wait to try it. I don't know if you can hear that. It's very crispy, soft inside, and I like the kimchi flavor in it. All I need is a cup of makgeolli. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.